What's good, YouTube? I just want to take this time to wish a happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, past, present, and soon to be moms. You guys do a lot for us and everybody out here in the world. Without you, there is no us. You know what I mean? Without you, there is no us. So shout out to all the moms watching this, all the female sneakerheads alike. This is a special episode. I will be doing this a little bit more if you guys do like this. I went to the outlet out there in Santa Clarita, and I decided to make a video just about the female sneakers out there. So all the female sneakerheads alike, guys who want to buy shoes for their girls, their moms, their daughters, go ahead and check out this video. Let me know what you guys think. And ladies watching, let me know if you guys like this content. If you do, I want to see them likes. Leave some comments. Tell me what shoes you guys like so I can see what the females is out there liking. Not too many female sneakerheads are going to the outlets, so why not cover it myself? You know what I'm saying? I like all kinds of shoes, and I like to see girls having fly shoes out there too. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Please watch all the way to the end and let some of them ads run, you dig? This colorway is different for the ladies. What do you think about these in the comment section below? I've been seeing these type of Cortezes. I don't know what's going on with them though, with the gold swooshes on them. That's something that women are liking nowadays or not, I'm not too sure. Got like an airbrush action over here. They got some pretty good things for girls, man, you know what I'm saying? It just depends on what you're looking for. 95s on deck. Not too bad for those either. Something different, some Air Force Ones for the women. Different type of materials on the Nike swoosh and the upper. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Cop, pass, fire, or trash? Now, ladies, I need to know. 79 with the retail, 79 retail with 30% off. But this is a pretty fire colorway, don't you agree? Got a lot of things going on here. Let me know what the men and women alike think about this one. This is not bad, bruh. It's a white shoe, but I'm liking this. Ladies, what do you think? Something new to my attention, ladies or fellas out there, like, if you know about these, let me know. Something for the women, not too sure about these. Kind of give me a T-Mac feel, one of his older shoes, but this is a Nike shoe. That's kind of weird. As we're over here in the ladies section, are getting deeper into the ladies section. Oh, no pun on that, but as we get further into the section from when the women have their shoes, we got a 270, pretty lit. This colorway's dope. Or 720, my bad. 720 is pretty lit. 180 with 30% off of that. This colorway is not too bad. We've been seeing a lot of these though. These are one of the more popular shoes that are out on the market for Nike and women. So I just don't understand why they're in the outlet so fast, but that's great for us as consumers because you can get them for the low. You know what I mean? They got those. I think these are pretty nice for ladies too. Women's Air Max 1QS 79 with 30% off. What's the overall consensus on these, ladies? Are you guys feeling these or not? Not a bad colorway though, especially for the spring/summertime that we are now approaching. Ladies, what do you guys think about these satin blazers? Women's blazers, mid-premium, $54. Satin, maroon colorway. This is not a bad shoe. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Let me know. Ugly or trash? I want to know how many women are actually feeling this shoe. I've seen them around. I have seen some women wearing them, but not a lot of women wearing them. So, ladies, overall, do you guys like these or not? Let me know in the comment section below. Not too bad, though. Am I missing something? Like, how are so many colorways of these showing up? Ladies, please. Maybe not all of them is watching, but the ladies that are watching, I want to know, are these ugly or not? Do they not do it for you? I'm seeing these all over, ladies and gentlemen, because, you know, I've seen a lot for the men's colorways as well. This one is not a bad colorway at all for the ladies. And you know what? We might have to make this a whole segment just for the ladies because there's a lot of shoes out here for you guys too as well. Don't want to always put you guys with the guys, even though we all like the same shoes, you know what I'm saying? But I want to do something kind of special. Hopefully we can make that happen. I'm just sorry. I'm just seeing so much going on here. What's going on with these premium Air Max 1s? This is crazy. This material they got on here. Ladies, if you don't like it, I would love to know. But if you do love it, I want to know too. Smash that like button. Share this video. This is unique. For some reason gives me like a snake skin slash Game of Thrones feel. This material feels pretty dope. I've never seen these before. Premiums though, so they're 74 with 30% off. Not bad. Ladies, they got a lot of heat. A lot of heat. A lot of heat. I don't know everything you guys would like. This colorway is very unique. I'm not mad at these also. If I had an option to buy these for somebody, I definitely would. That I knew liked them. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Definitely a different colorway for these, not too sure. Women's Air Max 1 Premium, not too mad at how they did that Nike swoosh right there. Materials in the upper don't look too bad. Nike Air on the back. What do you ladies think about these? They also have some kind of Cortez next to some more. Next to some more. Size 8.5, 180 with 30% off for the ladies. These Cortez here, are the ladies feeling these or not? I would love to know, because I've been seeing a lot more of them. Don't see too many women wearing them. Then you also see here, they have some 2019 Vapor Maxes for the ladies. What do you think about these in the comment section below? Cop pass, fire or trash. Down. Let's swoop down here because I've seen somebody just pick these up. Ladies, what do you think about these? These are definitely different. All white. I'm pretty sure women would like these for the summertime. Different type of Nike strap around. It has Nike in different type of formats. $84 with an extra 30% off. That's not bad. $84 with an extra 30% off. I'm not mad at these. Ladies, I want to know what the female sneakerheads think about these right here. Let me know in the comment section below. Some more of this Huarache's Just Do It edition. I'm not mad at these. Ladies, let me know if you guys like them or not. Might look good for the summertime, man, for sure. Vapor Max is on deck. $149 with the extra 30% off. That price is not stamped here. That colorway is not too bad though, not at all. Are the ladies feeling these Nike Reacts? Let me know in the comment section. The colorway, the color combination is not too bad. Don't know if people like that upper sock part area, but let me know. We want to see what the females are thinking. Of course, fellas, give me your opinions too. Now, this is another shoe that I am kind of shocked to actually see here, bro. This was a shoe that was kind of hard to come by. It looks funny in the GS size though. I'm not even gonna hold you. Not even gonna lie. These look definitely weird in this small size, bro. This is a size 6. This is a size 6, $159 retail with 30% off. I mean, the materials is still on point. That suede is still soft as ever. Still soft as ever. Icy outsole, not too bad on these. What'd I say the retail on these things was? $159 with 30% off, so not bad on these. There's some people here who are doing some arbitraging or reselling, and I just feel like they haven't came across these, because this is definitely something to try to go after. Then again, maybe not though, because of the price point, you know what I'm saying? People might not want that because of the price point. Here goes some premium Air Max 1s for the ladies. What's going on with these? What do you guys think about those in the comment section below? Kind of got like a denim and suede material on the upper. I'm not mad at these at all. More 2019 Vapor Maxes on deck. These are going for $190 with an extra 30% off. Ladies, size 12. Size 12. What's going on with these? These are something different. Ugly or trash? Let me know. Let me take a quick glance at them out of the box real quick. Something different, truly. For me, I don't think they're, I think I'm kind of good on them, but maybe some girls out there like them. The Zoom Pegasus 35 utility for the ladies with some different type of materials on them. Not too bad a shoe. What do you ladies think about these in the comment section below? Cop pass, fire or trash? What do you ladies think about these women's Cortez? These materials are definitely different. Don't know. Want to see what the ladies think about them? Let me know in the comment section below. In the ladies section, or boys and girls section, size 4, we got the Mars Landing Air Max 90 Cure Strike. Surprised that these were still here. We've seen them at the East LA outlet also, and one other place. Surprised to see them actually still here. Hold on, let me see. If you guys didn't see, this thing has like a glow in the dark situation that goes on with it. When you put the light on it, it's this color, but then when you put the light on it, it's another color. Let me show you. You see? Totally different color. If you didn't know, now you know. Size 4. Let me know what you think about these. I got some 3s for the ladies. If you guys are feeling this maroon type colorway. These, you've been seeing these a little bit more sometime creeping out here in the outlets. What's the consensus on these? Something different. Something different, different colorways I guess they're doing for the ladies too. They want to just mix it on up. So much going on here. You could be here all day. You know what I'm saying? Ladies, if you guys have seen shoes in here you like, you want me to talk more about next time, I will. Just let me know in the comment section. I'm telling you, this place is like a kid in a candy store for men, women, and children. I'm here at the women's section, about to check out the kids real quick. I've been here for like an hour just looking at shoes. If you like something, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you leave a comment, maybe timestamp where the shoe is at so I can reference it to you if I didn't get the price point or something like that. Everything in here is 30% off the retail tag, man. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, share it, and also subscribe with notifications on. And without further ado, I'm about to get out of here. You dig? Peace.